Mama, I don't know where to go.
Mom, where are you? Wow, rain. Can I go outside today?
The rain can be slippery, sweetheart. Be careful if you go out.
I'll be super careful, Mama.
It's so fun.
This is the best day ever! Huh, why is it getting darker? Where's my house?
Mama, I don't know where to go.
Mom, where are you? Kiko, where are you, sweetheart? Kiko!
I was scared.
I'm here now. You're safe. Sometimes adventures can surprise us. That's why we must stay careful.
I should have listened better to.
Next time, I'll stay close. That's my brave boy.